Today, we'll show you 5 modules that pair really well with Gamut Repetitor, our 4-channel quantized random voltage generator. If you're looking for ways to create random trigger patterns with looped melodies, there are 2 ways to do this with Gamut Repetitor. One way is to use Gamut's built-in randomized repeating rhythm pattern generator by simply holding down the reset for a couple of seconds. This gives you a 50% pass-through on the trigger outputs. Holding it down again changes it back. If you want to adjust how much or how little triggers pass through, add the jam in between your clock signal and Gamut Repetitor. Set jam to random mode, add a trigger signal, and turn the encoder. To the left, fewer triggers pass through, and to the right, more pass through. Gamut Repetitor and the Opp Ned arpeggiator have a number of things in common, but they also have differences that really complement each other. Gamut Repetitor is designed to be a comprehensive generative sequencer, whereas Opp Ned is an arpeggiator that can be pre-programmed and saved. Let's put these two together. Here, we'll load one of Opp Ned's saved patterns and use it for the bass line. This note sequence is a 4-note pattern, determined by the octave, direction, and pattern settings. Now we'll add in Gamut's looped pattern, but at a slower speed than Opp Ned. Gamut uses 3 notes, but they are randomly generated based on the length, spread, and location to the root note using the down-up control. Gamut Repetitor works really well with the other Repetitor modules, Zularic and Numeric. Here we'll send a clock to Zularic Repetitor, pick a pattern, then send its 4 trigger outputs to Gamut's 4 trigger inputs. Then send the trigger and CV outs to 4 different oscillators in your case. We'll send 1 to Debel, 2 to Incus, 3 to Loquelic Iteratas Percedo, and 4 to the BIA. Scroll through Gamut's length, spread, and down-up controls until you find the perfect fit. The Mimetic Digitalis and Gamut Repetitor go together in so many ways, and here we'll use the Mimetic to control some of Gamut's CV inputs. Set Gamut's length and down-up controls to the left and set spread to the right. Add Mimetic's stepped CV patterns to Gamut's down-up, length, and scale inputs to give random yet structured loop patterns. Adjust the CV coming from the Mimetic by zeroing out all of its steps, or add random steps back by holding the shred button, or zero out just some of the steps, or load in one of Mimetic's saved patterns. If you're looking to create some generative patterns for your next ambient patch, pairing the Gamut Repetitor with Melotus Versio is a must. In this patch, we're sending a slow clock signal to Gamut Repetitor and creating a dark chord progression with an infinite length to generate patterns over a 2-octave spread. Then we divide that clock signal and send it to Gamut's second channel to trigger a second voice as another melody line. Add in a drone for the third voice, then put the other voices through Melotus Versio's stereo granular processing to create a gorgeous ambient track that can go for days. Jam, Opp Ned, Zularic Repetitor, Mimetic Digitalis, and Melotus Versio are just a few of the modules that pair well with Gamut Repetitor. If you have any others that you'd like to patch with Gamut, let us know in the comments. For more information on this module, visit noiseengineering.us. Join us next time when we go around the world, around the world, around the world, around the world.